Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have the song from Charlie Puth called Charlie Be Quiet. No, don't be quiet. Do the songs for us. We love you. So thank you for the song, Charlie. And we'll look at this chords with all that. We need to start with the capo here on the first fret. And with that, we have 4 easy chords. So it will be played in the same order through the entire song. It will be G, A minor, E minor, and D. Alright, so let's start with the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, because we want that note to be emphasized, and then 3rd E. Next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd E, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. We'll not use a standard D. We'll take the D up here. That's the grip. Okay. So that will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and you can incorporate open E as well, because we have the notes up here, so that's the reason for this D. Alright, so let's start to look at this melody. I'm gonna give you just 2 different ways of playing this song. The melody that will be played for the verses, and then we have the strumming pattern that will be played for the pre-chorus and the chorus. So for the verse, you're gonna play this melody. Okay, so the G part, you just need to hold this 3rd E string in the bass. So you play this part, that's the 3rd E, then open D and open B. And then you land on the A minor and pick all the strings from the chord A minor. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. Like this, okay? So A, D, G, and B string from the chord. And that's it for A minor. And then you're gonna play this part for E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, and open G. That's it for E minor. And then for D, you're gonna go up here, pick this, that's the 5th A together with 4th D. And a short break there, short pause, and then you're gonna play this transitions notes, 2 of them, to fulfill this melody and go for the next round. And that is 2nd fret D string and open D string. So that's it. All right, slowly it goes like this. And the standard tempo, something like this. So there you have all the verses, and then we're gonna look at the strumming pattern for the pre-chorus and the chorus. Okay, so here you need to think kind of pair of chords almost. So G and A minor will kind of pair up to each other, and the same goes for E minor and D. So let's look at the first pair here, the G and A minor. You're gonna play down, up, clap. Okay, for G. Like this. So for G, down, up, clap. And then you quickly change to A minor and play down, up, and a little bit longer break there, and then comes the clap. So down, up, clap, and then A minor, down, up, clap. So like this. Sorry, one more time. Okay. So that's the slowed version. So again. and then you shift to E minor and play in the same way you could. So that means the E minor is played in the same way as G, and the D is played in the same way as the A minor, which is like this. Okay, so with just the strumming and the claps and a couple of rounds of this chord progression, it goes like this. Yeah, so that's one way of how to play it. We have just a slight difference there in the end here when it comes to the D chord. So if you wish, you can play the D not with the clap in the end. You can incorporate instead these two notes that you played in the medley. So on the D string, the second fret D string, and the open D string. So the last chord, the D, that with E minor will sound like this. So you just skip the clap for D in the end and add these two notes instead. So together everything sounds like this. And that is played, like I said, for the pre-chorus and the chorus, and that covers pretty much Charlie's song called Charlie Be Quiet. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.